Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a purchase order in Manager.io. Creating a purchase order helps you formally request goods or services from a supplier and keeps your purchasing records tidy. Let's walk through the process from the moment you open the app to saving your first order. Start by opening Manager.io on your computer or browser and going to your business file. On the main screen, look for the Purchases area and find Purchase Orders. This is where all your past and new orders live. Go ahead and open it, and you'll see a list view with buttons along the top. Choose New Purchase Order. You're taken to a clean form. Begin with the dates. The issue date is the day you're creating the order. The due date indicates when you expect delivery or when payment terms begin, depending on your workflow. Pick dates that reflect your agreement with the supplier and your internal lead times. Next, select the supplier. Use the drop-down to choose an existing supplier so the order carries the correct name and address on the document. Accurate supplier details help with matching bills later and avoiding delays. You'll notice a reference field. Tick the option to assign this automatically. Manager will generate a sequential number so your orders are easy to track without manual numbering. Now add your line items. For each item, enter a clear description so anyone reading the order knows exactly what's being requested. Choose the appropriate account to categorize the purchase, such as an expense or inventory account, according to how your books are set up. Then fill in quantity and unit price. As you complete these fields, Manager calculates line totals and the overall amount. If your pricing includes taxes or discounts, enter the figures as your chart of accounts and regional requirements dictate so totals remain accurate. Review the form from top to bottom. Confirm the supplier, dates, reference, and every line item for spelling, units, and pricing. Small checks here prevent receiving the wrong items or paying incorrect amounts later. When everything looks correct, click Create. Your purchase order is saved and appears in the list, ready to share with your supplier using your usual delivery method. You can return to it any time to track status and keep your purchasing organized. That's it. You've successfully created a purchase order in Manager.io, from opening the module to saving a clean numbered document.